60 to 80 years old, walking less, try doing these 5 things instead. There's something no one really tells you after 70. It's not about the gray hair. It's not even about the fading memory. It's that quiet, sinking feeling when you realize you're still alive, but no longer living the way you used to. You used to wake up early for morning walks. You could cook for hours without getting tired. You climbed stairs without even thinking twice. But now, just getting out of bed each morning feels like something you have to brace for. Only you truly know you don't move the way you used to, and that makes you afraid. Not afraid of aging, afraid of dependence, afraid of the day when you can't stand up on your own, when you can't leave the chair without someone helping, afraid of the look of pity, afraid of becoming a burden to the very people you love most. But here's the truth. Your body still has hope. It's been trying to speak to you every single day. You just haven't been listening closely enough. And today, I'm not here to tell you to train like an athlete, not to overhaul your entire life. I'm simply here to share 7 small, simple habits that can help you continue to live actively, freely, and with dignity, even after 70. If you still believe you deserve to be strong, deserve to walk your own path, on your own feet, until the very end, then leave a comment below. I'm not ready to stop. It's not just a sentence, it's a promise to yourself. A reminder that old age doesn't take everything from you, not unless you let it. In today's video, I'll walk with you through each habit, clearly, gently, and practically. No gym required, no expensive supplements, and most importantly, no one else needed to get started. Each of these habits is carefully selected, backed by science, and practiced by real people in their 70s and beyond who are living well, living independently, and most importantly, living on their own terms. We'll begin together, step by step, slowly but powerfully. And all I ask from you, stay with me until the very end, because habit number 7 is the one most people overlook, yet it may change everything. Habit 1. How to wake up safely and prevent falls. Did you know? One of the most dangerous moments in your day, it's not when you're walking outside, but the very moment you open your eyes in the morning. After a full night of lying still, your blood settles in the lower half of your body. Your heart slows down. Your blood pressure drops. Your system is still in a state of deep sleep on the inside. And when you suddenly jump out of bed, you risk something called orthostatic hypotension, a rapid drop in blood pressure that happens when blood doesn't reach your brain fast enough. The result? Dizziness, lightheadedness, a spinning room, and, sadly, many serious falls have started exactly like this. After 70, your body doesn't adjust as quickly as it used to. Blood pressure takes longer to stabilize. Your nervous system reacts more slowly. That's why the most important thing you can do each morning is this. Don't rush. Don't jump. Move gently. Start by opening your eyes slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Rotate your ankles and wrists. Then slowly roll to one side. Use your arm to push yourself up to a sitting position. Place both feet flat on the ground. Sit still for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply, only when you feel fully steady. Then begin to stand. Just 1 quiet minute each morning can protect your freedom, your independence, and your safety. You're not weak. Your body simply needs a little more care, a little more respect, and a slower start to a beautiful new day. Habit 2. Don't sit too long after waking up. Many people believe that after waking up, it's safest to sit for a little while, to rest on the edge of the bed, or lean into a chair and wait until they feel more awake. It sounds reasonable, doesn't it? But in reality, sitting too long right after waking up can actually make your body feel sluggish, stiff, and less responsive for the rest of the morning. Think back to a time when you sit for too long and then tried to stand. Your legs felt wobbly, your head felt foggy, and you struggled to keep your balance. That's a sign that your circulation has slowed, your muscles haven't woken up, and your nervous system hasn't fully activated. And as we age, the body needs gentle, consistent movement to wake up properly and safely. So after you sit up slowly, like in Habit 1, spend just 1 or 2 minutes doing a few small movements. Flex your feet, rise onto your toes, raise both arms up and gently bring them down. Roll your shoulders, turn your head left and right. Just a few motions, and you'll feel it right away. Your blood starts flowing, your body warms up, and your mind clears. If you have a chair by the bed, use it as your transition zone. After your warm-up, stand up slowly, take a few small steps around the room, and only then begin your day. You don't need a full workout in the morning, but your body does need motion to wake up your muscles, joints, and circulation, so every step you take feels steadier, more confident, and more alive. Habit 3. Morning sunlight to recharge your energy. Picture this. A quiet morning. You step outside to your porch. The breeze is soft. The first rays of sunlight gently touch your skin, and slowly, your body begins to wake, not with force, but with grace. This isn't just a beautiful moment. It's a free, natural medicine your aging body deeply needs. Morning sunlight. After age 60, your ability to produce vitamin D drops by nearly 50%. And sunlight, especially in the morning, it is your body's most powerful way to restore it. Vitamin D doesn't just support strong bones. It boosts your immune system. It helps regulate your sleep. And it gently lifts your mood. Without enough sunlight, many older adults feel tired, achy, even slightly depressed, without understanding why. But here's the good news. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun can trigger your body's natural healing rhythm. The key? Go out before 8:30 a.m. You don't need to walk far. Sit on the porch, open a window, stroll through your garden, or simply let the light pour in through the curtain. If possible, add a few gentle stretches or take some deep, steady breaths. Let the sunlight not only warm your skin, but energize your whole body and calm your spirit. Because the morning sun doesn't just shine, it heals, it renews, it reminds your heart that this day is still a gift. Habit 4. Keep your legs strong, the foundation of freedom. Have you ever noticed that nearly every simple thing you do each day, walking around the house, stepping up a curb, or getting out of a chair, starts with your legs? But your legs don't stay strong on their own as the years go by. After 60, we can lose 1 to 3% of muscle mass every year. Weakening legs are one of the biggest reasons many older adults start losing their independence. As your legs get weaker, you might begin to avoid stairs, feel reluctant to stand for too long, and slowly sit more, move less. That's how the cycle begins. But here's the good news. Your legs can grow stronger again. And you don't need a gym or any special equipment to make that happen. Every morning, spend just 2 to 3 minutes on these simple movements. Sit on a chair, then stand up and sit down 5 to 10 times without using your hands. Stand beside a chair, lift one leg, and balance for a few seconds, then switch sides. Rise up on your toes, then slowly lower your heels, and repeat 10 times. That's it. You're waking up the key muscle groups in your thighs, calves, and knees, the very muscles that keep you balanced and help prevent falls. Strong legs are the key to walking freely, moving with confidence, and living life on your own terms, without depending on anyone else. Don't wait until your legs feel weak to start strengthening them. Begin today with small, steady actions, repeated each morning with care. Habit 5. Gentle movement, reconnecting with your body. Have you ever felt it? You sleep enough, you eat well, but your body still feels stiff, and your mind feels distant, like it's floating, as if you're living inside your body, but no longer truly connected to it. The truth is, aging doesn't just slow down your body, it also makes it easier to lose the sense of control, the deep connection with yourself. But here's the beautiful part. Your body is always waiting for you to come back. And one of the most powerful ways to return, it is through slow, mindful movement. Tai Chi, gentle yoga, simple stretching with deep, conscious breathing. You don't need to be flexible. You don't need to be strong. You just need to be present. Every morning, give yourself just 3 to 5 minutes. Stand still. Lift your arms slowly overhead. Take a deep breath in. Then lower your arms gently as you breathe out. Feel your spine. Feel your shoulders. Feel your body respond as you twist, bend, and stretch with care. These movements, as simple as they seem, wake up your nervous system. They increase joint flexibility. They release muscle tension. And most importantly, they rebuild the link between your body and your mind. Studies show just 10 minutes of gentle movement each day can reduce fall risk by up to 40%. It can improve your sleep, sharpen your memory, lift your mood, and bring peace back to your heart. This isn't exercise. This is your return to the body that's carried you through so much, to the self you've forgotten to listen to. So start again, slowly, softly, and with deep kindness. Habit 6. Eat breakfast right. Your first meal is your medicine. Have you ever eaten breakfast just to fill your stomach? A rushed cup of coffee, a few dry slices of toast, or worse, skipping the meal altogether. Many older adults fall into this habit. They eat just enough to get by, or skip it completely, not feeling hungry, not wanting to cook, thinking, I'll eat later. It's not a big deal. But here's the truth. After 60, breakfast is no longer just a meal. It's a natural form of medicine. After a long night, your body wakes up low on energy, low on hydration, low on nutrients. And if you don't refuel the right way, you may feel lightheaded, shaky, weak, or off balance for hours. So what does the right breakfast look like? It doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs balance. A small portion of protein like a boiled egg, a spoon of yogurt, or a piece of tofu. Some fiber and slow carbs like oatmeal, whole grain toast, banana, or apple. And a touch of healthy fat like a few almonds, a slice of avocado, or walnuts. If possible, drink a warm glass of water too. Or light lemon water to refresh digestion and gently wake up your system. Avoid breakfasts that are too sweet or packed with white starch. They cause a sudden spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, leading to fatigue, heart palpitations, and low blood pressure. Eating a proper breakfast helps you stay clear, steady, and strong. It even improves how your body absorbs medication, and it lowers the risk of morning strokes, one of the most common health threats after 60. so don't skip it. Treat breakfast like a gift to your body, a quiet thank you for all the strength it's carried through the years. Habit 7. Morning conversation. Fuel for your mind and spirit. Do you know what truly keeps an aging brain young? It's not supplements. It's not memory games. It's something far more powerful. Connection. A morning greeting, a simple question, even a short exchange of words can light up your entire day. But sadly, as we grow older, silence begins to take over. Children get busy. Neighbors close their doors. And each morning passes with only the sound of the ticking clock and an empty chair. Loneliness creeps in quietly. It slows your memory, dims your emotions, and drains your energy without you even realizing it. So here's one small habit that holds incredible power. Talk to someone every morning. Call a loved one. Wave to a neighbor. Greet your spouse with something kind. And if no one's around, write a journal entry. Send a short message or read a passage out loud just to awaken your brain. Social interaction doesn't just lift your mood. It stimulates your central nervous system, boosts blood flow to your brain, sharpens memory, and reduces the risk of depression. Studies show older adults who engage in daily social interaction, they are up to 30% less likely to experience cognitive decline. So don't wait for someone else to speak first. Be the one who begins, because connection, it is the most powerful mental and emotional medicine. Every morning, you have two choices. 1. Let the day pass by as usual. Or 2. Turn it into a small step toward better health, more independence, and a deeper joy for life. Today, you've discovered 7 habits that may seem simple, but if practiced consistently every morning, they can truly transform the rest of your life. Take 1 minute to rise slowly and safely. Drink a glass of water to awaken your body. Step into the morning sunlight to nourish your bones and uplift your mood. Move gently to keep your legs strong. Reconnect with yourself through quiet, mindful motion. Eat a balanced breakfast to fuel your day. And finally, communicate. To remind yourself that you're still alive, still loving, and still have so much to live for. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to do everything at once. Just begin with one small habit, one gentle action, repeated with love and consistency. Because your body deserves to be cared for. Because aging is not an ending, it's a new chapter. One that can be deeper, freer, and more radiant than ever before. If this video touched your heart, click the like button to support the channel. Share it with someone you love. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the little bell so you never miss another video as we continue this journey to live healthy, live long, and live meaningfully every single day. You are worthy of that life.